So this is the most beautiful golf course property. 265 acres of land parcel, a 9-hole golf course that is being shown here.
We established in 1995. Since 1995 today, we have delivered more than 570 projects.
The sample, the construction museum. Most than 95 lakhs ka Aralyas milta tha. Right now it operates approximately around 50 crore. They are operational in multiple cities across India. Today we have come at the site of Sobha और इस साइट पे आने का सिंपल रीजन ये है, we wanted to explain you the design philosophy, the construction, how they do the construction, how the backward integration work for them. इनका जो construction museum है हम आपको वो दिखाएंगे. So let's come. We will get into this particular project and understand what this project has to offer. So this is the most beautiful golf course property that is going to come up. It has multiple lakes within it. इसका जो overall landscape है, the aerial view from your apartments are going to look like. So 265 acres का green, 70 acres का landscaped golf course, going to have 4-5 lakes within it. There are even multiple restaurants. Those are run under Karma Lake lands. Those facilities going to become exclusive for the people who are buying Sobha Aranya. So let's go and understand what Sobha Karma Lake lands have to offer.
Hi sir, welcome.
Hi,
to
Divyang.
Sobha. Thank you sir.
So here we are at Sobha site. He's standing with Divyang. Divyang is from Sobha and he's going to show us around the gallery, the sample, the construction museum. So here you can see on the right hand side the presence of Sobha Pan India. So they are operational in multiple cities across India. These are the cities where they are operational at present. So they have almost done around 548 iconic projects in the residential, commercial and contractual spaces, which accounts to around 136 million square feet. That's the magnitude that we are talking about. And here we have Mr. PNC Menon, who's the founder and chairman of Sobha Group. Now this is the overall master planning of Karma Lake lands. Karma Lake land is approximately 265 acres of land parcel, wherein we have a 9-hole golf course that is being shown here. In fact, it has become 10-hole golf course now. And this 10-hole golf course is approximately around 70 acres of development. In this particular 270 acres, we have the golf course, we have biodiversity park, we have ficus forest, organic gardens where you can get your vegetables and fruits from. At the same time, we have Karma Club. As shown here, we have multiple lakes within this particular property. It's approximately 4 to 5 lakes that has been shown. There are multiple restaurants also there in Karma Club and under the name. Then this is the overall 270 acres that has been shown here. Now here is Sobha Aranya. As you can see, it's been made in L-shaped so that you can get the view of golf property from your apartments. Right now, limited towers have been made open for the selection of the inventory, and in the future development, there is going to be a further addition of few of the towers into it. The Sobha Aranya is approximately 32 acres of development that is part of this 270 acres of ecosystem. Now these are going to be the views from your balconies. These are actual views that you are going to get from your balcony of your apartments. The golf course, as you can see, 10-hole golf course, and the kind of landscape the company has created. The Karma Lake land is one of the finest development of North India. So this is the driveway, the golf cart where it operates, the huge green spaces, your organic farmings. Now this is going to be your balcony of your apartment. You're going to have your personal garden within your balcony itself, and then you're going to have these kind of views. That's going to be the golf course. Now let's talk about Sobha Aranya. Now this is going to be the entrance boulevard to Sobha Aranya. In fact, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम सोभा अरान्या के अंदर एंटर करेंगे, which is part of 265 acres of Karma Lakelands. Now, Karma Lakeland is going to have first their grand entrance to this golf residences. Now, once you enter, पहले आप वहाँ का entrance लेंगे and there is going to be a proper driveway that will take you to this 32 acres Sobha Aranya's development. अगर मैं इसको compare करूँ तो as you must have seen Aralyas, Magnolias, Camellias, तो आप गोल्फ लिंक्स के अंदर पहले एंटर करते हैं, गोल्फ लिंक्स के गेट के अंदर एंटर करते हैं, फिर अरालियाज, मैग्नोलियाज और कैमिलियाज के पर्सनल बुलेवार्ड्स आते हैं जहां पे आप एंटर करते हैं उन प्रॉपर्टीज के अंदर. द सेम वे फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू एंटर, there is going to be grand entrance to the Karma Lakelands and there is going to be proper exclusive driveway to Sobha Aranya. Then you will enter Sobha Aranya. Now these are going to be the water bodies as shown here at the entrance, the landscaping that is being done, beautiful driveway that has been created and drop off at your lobby spaces. This is the elevation of the buildings. This is going to be your apartment lobbies. It's going to be triple height lobbies, beautifully done. It's a super luxury developments that we are talking about here. It's going to be in the match to Aralyas, Magnolias and Camellias because another golf course won't be possible again in Gurgaon. So Gurgaon only have two golf course development. One is Golf Links, DLF Golf Links, and second one is Karma Lakelands where the Sobha Aranya is coming up. Now these are the interiors of the apartment. As you can see the specification, the flooring, the kitchen fittings, what Sobha is giving, the VRV air conditioning, beautifully done apartment. And now we have come into the balcony. As you can see from your balcony, you are going to have these kind of views. Even in the balcony on the left hand side, you can see the brickwork that has been done. It's an integration of London architecture within your apartment. See, this is going to be the elevation and a lot of green work that is being done by Sobha on it. Now these are the external spaces of the clubhouse, the amenity spaces. It is going to be a resort style living. Huge water bodies, huge swimming pools, kids play areas that has been created within it. In fact, जो future development भी आना है उसका जब आप पूरे master plan को अभी हम समझेंगे, there is going to be huge sports amenities, proper cricket stadium that's going to be there, and lot of lawn tennis courts, pedal courts. These are going to be part of it. This is a night view within the community. This is a clubhouse elevation that has been shown here. It's approximately 75,000 square feet of clubhouse, massive clubhouse. This square feet is only for the clubhouse, not for the other amenities that the developer is providing. The swimming pool, the sports amenities, those are absolutely separate. This is the lobby space of the clubhouse. This is actually it's going to look like. Now when we talk about the location, so this particular property is in Sector 80. Sector 80 is getting very vibrant in terms of lot of developments being launched in this particular area. Majorly Sector 80 HSII DC के पास था, उन्होंने ऑक्शन किया अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज, अपनी लैंड को, और बहुत सारे ए ग्रेड डेवलपर्स यहाँ पे अपनी डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं. बट कर्मा लेक लैंड is a private development. They have not taken it from the government right now. It's a old acquisition that has been done by Karma Group, and now Sobha is developing this particular product. It's a very low density development, only 900 apartments and 270 acres. Now when we talk about Sector 80 nearby जो developments हो रही हैं, this will take this particular area to a next level. First is your Cyber City 2 that is coming up, which is just next to Privana ecosystem. Now Privana ecosystem 76-77, that is just around 7 to 8 minutes drive from Karma Lakelands. आज golf course road या golf links का जो appreciation है वो भी that is majorly because of the Cyber City that already exists. That's the reason a senior CXO level people are staying in Aralyas, Magnolias, Camellias. The same way it's going to happen with Sobha Aranya, the senior guys of the companies who are going to work in Cyber City 2 or the Global City, because Global City is also going to come up in Sector 36. That's another 15 minutes drive from Karma Lakelands. So that's going to be the key trigger points for this particular property, wherein you will see a lot of appreciation coming in if you are an investor. But this is going to be an asset that you can pass on from generation to generation. आज ये आप अगर एसेट बनाएंगे तो आप इसको सेल करना नहीं चाहेंगे. Now here we are talking about some of the vicinity developments which already exist. So you can pause the video, you can have a close look into it. The Bal Bharti School is nearby, Indian School of Hospitality is nearby, Delhi Public School is approximately 5 kilometers from here, Maitri Kiran School is nearby, RV Hospital, Medanta Hospital. So this is a radius of 10 kilometers and 20 kilometers what you are going to get next to it. But see, Gurgaon is an ever evolving city, and how the cyber city too is going to come up, global city is going to come up, lot of development, lot of infrastructure setup is going to come up, lot of schools, lot of hospital is going to be getting operational in this particular area. So the people who have the vision way forward 7-8 years, it's going to be a very good place to stay in, a very good the possession of this property is going to happen in next 3 to 4 years. तो मैं जेन्युइनली बता रहा हूँ, जब अरालियाज मैग्नोलियाज लॉन्च हुए थे 2002 के अंदर, पीपल डजंट यूज टू कम इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया एंड दे डिडंट वांटेड टू इन्वेस्ट. उस टाइम 95 lakhs का अरालियाज मिलता था. राइट नाउ इट ऑपरेट्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अराउंड 50 crores ऑफ property. So the people who will have the vision, they will invest in it. Now this is the master planning of Sobha Aranya. So here are the entry exits to the property. There's going to be zero vehicular movement within the center of the property, and the 32 acres में आप ले लो 31 acres is going to be pure green, lush green areas. As you enter, you will have a 75,000 square feet of clubhouse और water bodies होंगी, और आप लेफ्ट लेंगे तो सीधा आप रैंप लेके बेसमेंट्स की तरफ चले जाते हैं. Here are 5 towers that has been launched by Sobha till now. Another 2-3 towers are going to get launched just next to tower number 5. There's going to be a linear extension to it. Lot of sports amenities are going to come in that future development. Sobha को Harvard Business School में भी discuss किया जाता है. Reason is because they are known for their backward integration, and that particular thing is discussed in Harvard Business School as a case study. Now we will discuss all these things with Divyang, and we will get micro in terms of what kind of development this holds. We will discuss on the master planning part about Karma Lakeland at a macro level.
Right.
But I just wanted to understand what this development in particular is going to offer to the clients.
Got it, sir. So when we talk about the entire development of phase 1, this includes a massive clubhouse which is 75,000 square feet, which is ground plus 2. The clubhouse has cafes, restaurants, gymnasium, squash courts, badminton court. There is a Zen garden on the terrace. All the modern amenities, you name it, is inside the clubhouse. There is an indoor climatic control pool also. Now, when I talk about the open and green areas, you have a 6-lane Olympic size pool, which is going to be part of the amenity. And then you have Cove Islands. There is kids play pool. Then you have camping grounds.
Okay.
So your family can freely camp around the development as well.
Okay.
Then you have amphitheater. There are celebration gardens.
Okay.
Then there is a bonfire ring also right over there. One of the good thing also, there is not going to be any car movement inside the green area.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So when you enter from the inside the project from a 25 to 30 meter wide entrance, then you go into the ramp. This is 3 basement parking. There is not going to be any internal vehicular movement inside the project.
I understand.
So some of the amenities, if you can see, that has been divided into park and plaza zones, active zones. Then you have recreational zones, kids zones, and eco amenity zones.
I understand.
Eco amenity zones, not many developers you might have seen कि eco amenity zones होते क्या हैं.
Right.
तो अगर आप कर्मा लेकलैंड्स की पूरी बात करते हो तो which is already a green theme, nature and everything, now the builder has decided to add the eco amenity zones.
Okay.
Which includes your bamboo walk, camping grounds, forest grove. There is an eco pond and ecology deck also.
Okay.
So these are some of the USPs, which is very different from everything.
Absolutely. And again, I'm coming on to the pricing.
Yeah.
I just wanted to recheck on the pricing. 3
Right.
BHKs are going to cost us.
So when you see the 3-bedroom units, so this is available in Tower 4 and Tower 5.
Right.
So this starts from 8 CR.
And this is how much square feet?
This is 2836 square feet.
Uh-huh.
And this is all inclusive. This includes your GST, EDC, IDC, and the higher middle floor unit.
Okay.
And that also includes your IBMS.
Okay.
internal interest-bearing maintenance security deposit.
I understand.
Now, when you talk about the 4-bedroom, so these are the wing units. So this is 3532 and this is 3595. So this basically starts from 9.5 CR,
Okay.
all inclusive. And the bigger sizes of 4-bedroom when you talk about in Tower 2 and Tower 3. So this is 3761 square feet, which is somewhere around 10.5 CR, all inclusive. And that goes up to, for the higher size unit, 4240 square feet, 12.5 CR, all inclusive.
I understand. Now, first, we will talk about the overall master planning. Let me explain you quickly. This is going to be the entry exit to the property. You have the clubhouse, a lot of green spaces, swimming pool, water bodies just next to it. जहाँ पे फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट दिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे बहुत सारी स्पोर्ट्स अमेनिटीज़ का एक्सटेंशन होना है एंड यहीं पे लीनियर वे में 2 से 3 टावर और ऐड होंगे यहाँ पे. अब व्हेन वी टावर 4 और टावर 5 पहले लॉन्च किया गया था. टावर 4 के अंदर 3 and 4 BHK का मिक्स है. जो नोज यूनिट है दैट इज़ अ 3 BHK ऑफ 2836 स्क्वायर फीट. जो विंग यूनिट्स हैं वो 4 BHK के हैं 3532 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 3595 स्क्वायर फीट. द सेम वे टावर 5 के अंदर भी 2836 का नोज यूनिट है दैट इज़ अ 3 BHK. विंग यूनिट्स आर 4 BHKs. नाउ फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने टावर 3 एंड टावर 2 को लॉन्च किया था. टावर 2 and 3 आर ओनली 4 BHK यूनिट्स. अगर आपने टावर 3 और टावर 4 और 5 को देखा है तो इट्स 3 अपार्टमेंट्स टू अ कोर. Tower 2 and 3 are 2 apartments to a core. Now Tower 2 has 3761 square feet, that is a 4 BHK, 4240 square feet, again a 4 BHK. And Tower 3 again has a mix of two sizes of 4 BHK, that is 4285 square feet and 3691 square feet. So this is how these towers are placed right now. Tower 1 is not launched till date and it is going to get launched shortly in a span of next 2 to 3 months. Now the price points here are 25,000 rupees per square feet wherein the price start. There's going to be additional addition to it. There's going to be a PLC and a GST which will be added into it. So hence the prices of a 3 BHK operate somewhere around 7.5 crores. The 4 BHK starts from somewhere around 8.5 to 8.7 crores and goes up to 12 crores depending on the size that you are picking up. Now quickly let me also explain the particular unit price points. Now the 3 BHK 2836 square feet will cost you somewhere around 7.09 crores, approximately 7 CR. The addition to it would be the PLCs and the GSTs. Now the 4 BHK, the price is starting from 8.83 CR. That is for 3532 square feet. Again, the addition would be PLC and GST. 4 BHK का जो दूसरा size है that is 3761. That starts from 9.59 CR. Addition would be PLC and GST. And the 4 BHK का सबसे बड़ा size that is 4240 square feet. It starts from 10.81 CR and addition would be PLC and GST. Now the payment plan is going to be construction linked plan. So it's an easy construction linked plan. For that you can we can speak directly and we'll explain you how the payments are going to go, because every tower has achieved different milestone till now. Now we will capture the sample apartment. We will move towards the sample apartment and have a look at that. Now let's go and have a look at the sample.
So right now I'm presenting you the Shobha 4-bedroom residence. You can see the quality of the door. All these doors are being manufactured in-house. We have the biggest woodwork factory in Bangalore, which is 375,000 square feet. Shobha Interiors, we do everything from woodwork, we do the metal and glazing work, we do the concrete work as well. So everything is managed end to end. Let me get you inside, please come.
So this is the sample of 4 BHK that we are going to show you around. So we wanted to give you the gist about the specification.
Yes.
What kind of flooring you are going to get, the kind of the kitchens the developer is giving you, and overall the kind of space they are creating it, how efficient the layout is.
Yes, please come. So that's how my living and dining room area is. You know, this is fabulously designed. You have spacious balconies, right overlooking the Aravallis. And then at the back side, you have a city-facing views as well, the magnificent city views. Every space is being managed as per the Vastu. You know, even if you see the flooring here is also being done by Shobha. All the flooring is in-house.
So the manufacturing of this flooring is being done in-house.
Yes.
Now, there are two things that we wanted to show you here in the sample is how the designing of this living and dining has been done. As you can see, it's a L-shaped living and dining. It is a majorly giving you a perspective and understanding how a 4 BHK looks like. So it's a L-shaped living and dining. Then you have the balconies on the other side. Please come, let me show you the width and the depth of the balconies. So this is how the balconies are going to look like. There are a lot of interior work that has been done. So don't take it as it is because कई चीजें इसमें नहीं होंगी जब finally apartment that like the furniture is not going to be there. But this is the kind of views that you are going to get. So we are back into our living and dining. So Divyang will take us around and show us how the space have been utilized. First, let's Divyang go to the kitchen.
Yes,
have a look.
come.
Yes, please.
Even you see, we do not use doors in the kitchen. That's considered good as per the Vastu compliance apartment.
Now, Divyang, like here, the woodwork that has been done, it's going to be as it is.
Yes, it is going
So
to be.
the wooden work that you can see when we are entering the kitchen, it's a hard wood that has been deployed here,
Yes.
and the quality of the wood is A grade.
Please come inside. So the kitchen, we give choice to our customers how they can design themselves. The kitchen is going to be raw and all the white goods are not going to be provided by the builder. It's the choice of the customer how well they can design it, what kind of a modular kitchen they wanted to use, what kind of a branch they wanted to use, right? So you can see outside is the utility balcony, which is also, you know, being efficiently designed. So this is the dry area and outside is the wet area where you can keep the dishwasher, and there inside you can keep the washing machine as well. And you have the utility balcony also, you have a free space. You can overlook the, the city and also the Aravallis from your utility balcony as well. Now this is also being connected with your staff room. So this is very important. So the staff room, you know, everybody in Gurgaon is so busy, they need a domestic help. So this kind of a space is very important because you have the entry and exit from the outside. Either you use it as a staff room or you can utilize this space as a mini office. So that is also required. So if you're working from home, your clients can easily come from outside and without disturbing the main core of your main apartment areas basically.
Even the washroom is attached.
Yes, please. You can see a proper space being given for the entry and exit.
So this is the lobby area on this side. As we can see on the back end side, there's going to be the main entrance to the apartment, and there's going to be a separate entrance to the servant room from the outside itself, and it's going to be linked to the kitchen. And exclusive washroom for the servant here. It's a decent size servant room that has been provided by the developer here, and a lot of ventilation that has been created. There's going to be a sunlight, but Sobha is focusing on. So this is the design philosophy where they are targeting majority of the rooms are going to be sun, is going to have the sun. At the same time, they are going to have a lot of air. So it's fully sunlit and ventilated. Now, the concept of giving raw kitchen, because everyone has their own perspective to the kitchen. Now, एक चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, lot of developers are moving towards the raw apartments right now. Like Oberoi Realty is going to launch their development on Golf Course Extension. They are going to give the bare shell apartment, so you can do a lot of things with that particular apartment. That's a thought. Now Sobha is also giving a raw kitchen where you can implement and imbibe a lot of your personal perspective into the kitchen. Majorly, we have to look on the construction quality, the way the walls have been done, the way the flooring has been done, it has been done. अगर आप space भी देखेंगे इस flooring के बीच में, it's throughout the apartments. It's moving at a same pace. Now you can see here, like the Divyang.
Yeah.
Now the space here that has been
2 mm.
2 mm is the space between both the stones here. As you can see.
Why this has been left, because if any of the tile that has to be need a repair work, that can easily be removed, and the maintenance cost is also very less.
Now this is the positive side, because once any of the stone or the tiles get broken, you have to remove majority of the tiles. But here this 2 mm space have been created so that that individual tile can be taken out and can be replaced.
Yes.
Now it is a high-end super luxury tiles that is being used here. In fact, again this is internally made by Sobha itself. जब हम बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन की बात करते हैं, जो आपका हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में भी डिस्कस किया जाता है सोबा को एज ए केस स्टडी. सो बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर जैसे हम एंटर कर रहे हैं तो हमने दरवाजे देखे. सो दरवाजे इन हाउस मेड, दीज tiles, the flooring is in-house made, the door panels are in-house made. In fact, even you see these glass doors, ये सारा का सारा खुद ही काम होता है. इनफैक्ट जो कंस्ट्रक्शन भी है सोबा खुद ही करता है. सो दैट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एफिशिएंसी दैट दिस बिल्डर इज ब्रिंगिंग इनटू दिस डेवलपमेंट. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द वॉशरूम फर्स्ट, क्योंकि वॉशरूम से आपको पता चलेगा इसके कि किस तरह का ये फिनिशेस दे रहा है. कम. Now we are entering the master bedroom. You can see this the length and the width of this particular room. It's a decent size master bedroom, and again I am telling you the efficiency of this apartment in comparison to the competition is slightly on a higher side when you take it on a paper itself. जब आप पेपर पे ही दोनों अपार्टमेंट्स को कंपटीशन के साथ चेक करोगे, ये अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2% ऑन ए हायर साइड आपको मिलेगा in comparison to the benchmark products in the market. Now again, just wanted to show you the space. Now this is the personal walk-in closet that has been created for this particular room. Though the developer is not giving the walk-in closet, but the kind of space that they are creating, and it show the kind of design language or the kind of work that they have done on the layouts. Come. Now let me show you the washroom. Now here is the door of the washroom. Again a heavy door. Come inside. A very fantastically done the flooring work. Again 2 mm spacing that has been done between these tiles. Again when we see here in the washroom, अगर हम इसके पूरे वॉल को भी देखते हैं तो इस पर पूरा का पूरा टाइल लगा हुआ है from floor to ceiling. So this is the kind of work that you are going to get within your washroom. Come inside. Now this is the partition that you are going to get within your washroom. Now let me show you one thing. Now here is the drainage that the developer is giving here. Again looking very aesthetically fit with the apartment. मतलब अगर आप हाई एंड अपार्टमेंट ले रहे हैं तो बहुत एस्थेटिकली नजर आ रहा है. ये जितना भी यहाँ पे आप टॉयलेट फिटिंग्स देख रहे हैं, अगेन इन हाउस डन बाय सोबा इटसेल्फ. नाउ हियर इज द वॉश बेसिन and the slab that has been created. It's going to be under the specification, but the vanity is not going to be part of it. Come. Again the walk-in closet, as I shown you earlier, it's not going to be part of it, but the spacing that the developer is giving, it's huge. Again, I just wanted to show you that 2 mm spacing that the developer is giving, so that if this particular flooring is broken, you don't have to remove आपको साथ वाली टाइल्स नहीं, आप स्पेसिफिकली इसको उतार के रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. In fact, Sobha has an in-house interior company that is Meter Cube. आपको कुछ भी requirement होती है that can be provided by Sobha itself and their that company. anything that you are seeing here. Now come, I have shown you, this is the master bedroom at present. Ample, good size master bedroom with the attached walk-in closet, and here is the attached balcony to it. As you can see the length of it, it's a decent size balcony. This particular balcony is attached to your living and dining and to one of the bedroom. Now let's move to another bedroom. Now as you can see, there is a passage. Here it's the living and dining area. हम इधर से अंदर आते हैं और ये पैसेज है which take us to 3 bedrooms. एक बेडरूम से हम बाहर आए हैं, 2 बेडरूम. तो कोई भी शेयर्ड वॉल नहीं है किसी भी बेडरूम की एक दूसरे के. That's a kind of privacy that this particular apartment is giving you. This is another bedroom and attached balcony to it, and on the back side you can see the washroom here. Again you can see the tiles on the ground, which can high quality premium luxury tiles that is being provided by Sobha. Come. Now we are moving to the third bedroom. The third bedroom with the balcony attached to it, with the washroom here and your wardrobes on this side. You can see a good size space of the bedroom, space, the vanity that they are providing here. It's decent. Now I just wanted to show you the powder room. Now this is the entrance to the apartment. You can see how broad the entrance is. हम enter करते हैं तो यहाँ पे right hand side पे powder room मिल जाता है आपको. This is how the powder room and the specification and the tiles. This is very elegantly done. As you can see, the color of and the choice of the tiles that has been used here. Again, from floor to ceiling, the tiles are being provided. Come. Now here's the 4th bedroom. Now the 4th bedroom, the developer just wanted to give you a perspective how it can be used. So they have done a lounge or a private den. So you can have your own bar area, or you can create a temple here, or you can have a study, or anything you want to, or even if you want to have 4th bedroom, it's up to you. But a lot of things can be done when you have a larger space for you.
All the private areas are there that side.
Yeah.
And all the common areas will be right at the start.
Right.
So the maximum efficiency the builder has attained it. And you know, in NCR region, when you talk about the carpet efficiency, usually the carpet efficiency ranges from 50 to 55%.
Absolutely.
We offer it 57 to 60%, not including the balcony. But if you include the balcony, that goes up to 70% also.
So here what Divyang wanted to say, he's absolutely right. When we compare it with the other developers, the average carpet space percentage wise comes to around 50 to 53% to 56, 57%. But Sobha is giving approximately 57 to 60% depending on the size that you are picking from. But if you also include the balcony into the overall space, that comes out to be approximately 70 to 72% of the usable space. तो super से जब आप usable निकालेंगे तो around 70-72% के आसपास आ जाएगा. Now we are moving to Sobha Museum. Sobha Museum क्या है? Sobha Museum is basically will tell you about the construction, the backward integration, किस तरह का material use किया जाता है Sobha के apartments के अंदर या Sobha की overall development में. At the same time, क्या technology और methodology को use किया जाता है अपनी construction करते हुए. Right. So here you can see a lot of open spaces that has been created within the gallery. So that's a kind of design language that Sobha imbibes. Matlab they bring a lot of natural light within their property and they want to make it more openness. जब सोबा सिटी भी इन्होंने डिलीवर किया है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के अंदर, उधर भी इन्होंने एक प्रॉपर क्रिकेट ग्राउंड दिया है विद इन द कॉम्प्लेक्स, जिसकी वजह से एक बहुत बड़ा ओपननेस आ जाता है एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वेंटिलेशन एंड नेचुरल लाइट विद इन द अपार्टमेंट्स ऑल्सो. Now Divyang will take us around with the construction museum. Please.
Thank you, sir. So this way is my Shobha Museum. You know, Shobha is now India's most self-reliant real estate company, and we are known to be the construction pioneers. So, you know, we established in 1995. Since 1995 today, we have delivered more than 570 projects. That includes your residential, commercial and contractual. Whatever the work we do it in-house. Whether it's, you know, producing of concrete, whether we do the metal inglazing work. Right now you can see the structure. Building a right structure and the right framework is very important for any developer.
Do capture this, the structure. So this portion is displaying the structure part of it.
We follow the MyOne technology. Through MyOne Tech, we also use all the German tools and technology. Even our quality head is a German, right? Our laborers are also trained so that they are equipped with the latest techniques and technologies so that they can do it better, right? You can see these are TMT steel bars, and that side is the aluminium shuttering. Through that, the cement is poured. We follow the aluminium foam work, which is very, very strong. This also supports the seismic zone 5. Please come.
Yeah. So now we are moving towards the interior part. Like हमने external construction की बात कर ली. अब दीवारों के अंदर क्या होता है वो एक बार.
Over here you can see, as we were mentioning about 2 mm spacing. What 2 mm spacing exactly is? You know how the patterns are created. We used to, before we make the tiles, we used to create patterns which is in vertical and horizontal patterns. Then उसके बाद हम लोग ये जो अपना फ्लोर का जो टाइल्स होता है, we used to use the adhesive and we used to get it done basically. We used to give 2 mm spacing. Why? If any of the tiles that require the treatment of any of the, you know, repair work, anything, it is not going to disturb the other areas of the flooring. Basically, it is very easy to manage as well. When we talk about the door quality of Shobha is world class. Like, we are doing the in-house door production. We have an in-house factory in Bangalore, which is 375,000 square feet. We also supply doors to lot of good brands in this real estate industry. We have done lot of good contractual work. One of the famous contractual work we have done is for Infosys. Like, we have a dedicated campus in Mysuru, Infosys Global Education Hub. That has been, everything has been designed by end-to-end by Shobha itself. This way is the washroom. You can see the washrooms are very nicely finished. Why this is very important? You can see all the pipes and everything is being hidden inside the false ceiling. You cannot even see a mark of, you know, wire coming out or any, you know, pipes being seen from the washrooms. Even the waterproofing treatment has been done on the flooring. We used to use MYB Schomburg, which is the highest graded German paint. Right over this side you can see on the vent stack we have done the clamping, so any of the water that is coming with high pressure, you know, that reduces the chance of water sealing also and water seepage also. The maximum water seepage comes from the washroom, so getting your washroom done is very important. We'll be using Kohler and PNC as an in-house fitment brand that will be part of the washroom area basically. Now, very exclusive thing about the terrace. You know, you might have noticed जब बारिश होती है तो आपका जो रेन वाटर होता है वो कॉर्नर्स में जाके स्टोर हो जाता है. उससे क्या होता है, क्रैक्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं आउटर फसाड में बिल्डिंग के, एंड दैट इज वेरी मच विजिबल. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग दैट यू माइट हैव नोटिस इन NCR area. We follow the 6 layers of waterproofing approach. You can see, first of all, we used to do the, you know, the bitumen sheets that has been used. 100 mm and 300 mm bitumen sheets have been used. A thick thermocol has also been used for this, and then there is a geothermal sheet that has also been used. उसके ऊपर हम लोगों ने स्क्रीन यूज किया है. फिर देन वी हैव यूज्ड द रिफ्लेक्टिव फ्लो टाइल दैट basically help us reduce the water seepage, and there is no any such problem of the water seepage in Shobha, any of the Shobha apartment basically. Now this way is basically the parking. So getting the, you know, good car parking, the flooring what we have used is epoxy resin on the flooring, so that has the anti-skid qualities. So any of the good mall you go to Delhi, whether you go to any of the good mall, any of the 5-star good mall, so you might have noticed the parking standards are very different. We follow all the same parking standards. There's a proper marking that has been given on the parking as well. Then on the corners we have used the rubber fenders. That is very important while you're busy on your phone and sometimes your car just get to, the rubber fenders are being used to avoid any such kind of an incidents as well. So this way, if you see, again, the waterproofing, 6 layers of waterproofing in being used, and everything is being in-house here. Even you see the standard railing size is 1.15 meters, which is very important in any of the high-rise. That has been considered by taking care of the maximum safety standards. We are going to use the double glazed glasses. Double glazed glasses has its benefits, and then you have the aluminium sliding door, which is also a double coated aluminium, which is going to be rust free throughout your life. So I'll tell you one more thing. 1454 quality checks has been taken in consideration when we deliver any of the apartment, and there's a proper snagging process that has been followed, and the management team used to do that. Any of the gap they see before they deliver any of the apartment, they do not hand over the apartment to any of the customer. So it's very important. No other builder will follow these kind of quality parameters.
Now we will move to the construction side, how the construction is happening at the site.
The complete pathway has been built.
Yeah.
So any of the customer who's wanted to see what is going on in the construction site,
Right.
a dedicated pathway has been built. So anytime he can come throughout the day and he can see the construction.
So this is a very transparent working of Sobha,
Absolutely.
showing end to end how the construction is happening at the site.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. So here you can see the construction happening of the phase 1 of Sobha Aranya.
So right now, there in front you can see the tower number 1. That is tower number 2. Tower 3 has already achieved 8th floor. 8 floors are already been completed. That is tower 4. Tower 4, 4 floors have already been completed. And in tower 5, we are completing the ground floor. So if you talk about the delivery timelines, we are pretty sure to deliver this project by 2029 fourth quarter, and the phase 2 is going to be delivered by 2030.
And Divyang, what is the construction methodology?
So, we have the backward integration technology, right? We follow the backward integration approach, and we have a dedicated case study that has been featured in Harvard Business School.
Right.
And we total control on cost, quality, and time. Right. We have 5 manufacturing facilities that includes your Sobha Interiors, which is one of the Asia's biggest interiors facility. And then you have the concrete work. Even in the new parliament, you see the concrete blocks have been supplied by Sobha.
Okay.
And we do the metal and glazing work. Even our architects and interior designers, they are also in-house.
Okay.
So everything is being managed end-to-end by Sobha itself.
Okay.
So we do not give any kind of a contract to outside, Thekedar or a contractor. So whatever is being the construction is controlled by Sobha itself.
Okay. Perfect. Now let's also understand from the existing clients what they have to say about Sobha Aranya.
The first time we entered Karma Lakeland, I was amazed to see that there are 5 natural forests in this area.
For him, it's the golf, and for me, it's the natural, just the nature.
People like us at our age, probably they're already thinking about how they want to live a life.
The whole concept of resort-like ecolux living, especially living in Gurgaon and Delhi in winters, could be a bit of a challenge for the people because of the pollution.
And it was really vast. I'm very, very impressed by the overall concept of Karma and of Sobha Aranya.
I really like this place a lot, and we made the decision to, buy the space.
So if you have any further inquiry about Karma Lakelands, Sobha Aranya, and you want to understand more about that, you can connect with us. We are one of the exclusive channel partners with Sobha and can help you in understanding this product in a better way. We'll show you around the sample, the construction museum that they hold, at the same time the pricing and the payment plan. So connect with us. Our team would be happy to assist.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Thanks,
sir.
Divya.
Thank you.